Alright, fashion enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the wonderful world of men's tailoring, specifically, how to sew a classic shirt collar. Trust me, it's not as scary as it sounds. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll be rocking a perfectly tailored shirt. First things first, let's gather our supplies. You'll need your fabric obviously, interfacing, the collar pattern pieces. That's the top collar, under collar, and collar stand pieces. Scissors, pins, a sewing machine, thread, and an iron. Oh, and don't forget a healthy dose of patience. We're in this together. Step 1. Preparing the collar pieces. Cut out your fabric pieces according to your pattern. Remember to add seam allowances. Now, for the magic ingredient. Interfacing. This gives your collar structure and makes it look all crisp and professional. Fuse the interfacing to the wrong side of your under collar pieces. This is where your iron comes in handy. Make sure you follow the manufacturer's instructions for the interfacing. Heat and pressure are your friends here. Step 2. Sewing the collar. Place the top collar and under collar right sides together. Pin them in place, and then sew around the outer edge, leaving the bottom edge open. Use a 14-inch seam allowance. Now, here's a little pro tip when you get to the corners. Slow down and pivot your needle. This will give you nice, sharp corners. Once you've sewn around, trim the seam allowance, especially at the corners. This reduces bulk. Turn the collar right side out. Use a point turner or a dull pencil to gently push out those corners. Press the collar flat with your iron. This step is super important, so don't skip it. Step 3. Preparing the collar stand. Take your collar stand pieces and fuse interfacing to the wrong side of one of them. Place the two collar stand pieces right sides together and sew along the top edge and the two short side edges, leaving the bottom edge open. Trim the seam allowance and turn it right side out. Press it flat. Step 4. Attaching the collar to the collar stand. Insert the sewn collar into the collar stand, aligning the raw edges. Pin it in place, then sew around the bottom edge of the collar stand, attaching the collar. Now, you'll have a beautifully constructed collar unit. Step 5. Attaching the collar to the shirt. This is where things get really exciting. Attach the collar stand to the shirt. Pin the collar stand to the neckline of the shirt, making sure the raw edges align. Sew the collar stand to the shirt using a 12-inch seam allowance. At this point, you can fold the seam allowance of the collar stand inward, and then top stitch along the edge, finishing it off nicely. And there you have it. You've successfully sewn a classic shirt collar. Give yourself a pat on the back. This is a skill that will take you far in the world of tailoring. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't flawless. Keep sewing, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun. Until next time, happy sewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tutorials.